Hello everyone, you're welcome back. So here is a natural treatment to shrink fibroids. This is going to help to prevent fibroid or reduce the growth of fibroid naturally. In case you're new here for the first time, you're so welcome. Consider subscribing if you love it, if you love health treatments like this. Using some natural ingredients, you get perfect results. Also share this video. Do not forget to give it a like. Let's go. So the ingredients I'll be showing you soon are purely natural. They are very good at getting rid of those fibroids finally. But you have to know this: if your fibroid is so big, you will not expect magic overnight. This is with continuous use. But if yours is small, like a little, this will clear it like seriously. So just watch this video because I'll explain the things to stop eating at the end of this video, so that you be careful to prevent it from happening. Let's go. So we have here green tea. Green tea is one of the ingredients that helps greatly in shrinking fibroids. I didn't say it will get rid of it immediately. No. Green tea contains several antioxidants, helps in the slowing the growth of fibroids, whether big or small. It will be reducing them gradually and gradually. It helps by bringing down inflammations and high estrogen levels. I want to tell you this: if you have high estrogen levels, you'll be very prone to having fibroids. Many people, they don't have it in their gene. But if you discover that the estrogen in your body, the hormone in your body is very high, then you know that there is high tendency you will develop fibroids. Many people, they carry fibroids with pregnancy, and that can be very uncomfortable. So if you have fibroids, some people, they will not be able to conceive at all because it will block the womb, the entrance of the womb, thereby preventing sperm to penetrate to form a baby. If you also have bleeding issues, like I said earlier, because it will help to stop it, green tea has the ability to get rid of excessive bleeding. Like, it helps to balance your hormone and preventing anything like any growth, whether it's cyst, whether it's fibroid. So try to get green tea, any brand. Just try to get a plain green tea. You will love it. So the next one is lemon. Yes, so I don't have the fruit lemon right now, but try to get original lemon, the fruit. But this drink is very natural. Like, it's where natural, except that a little preservative is added in it. But if you are using it to take care of your fibroid, you have to make use of the natural fruit. So not only lemon, anyway, any citrus fruit like lime, yes, lemon, orange, grapes, just any citrus fruit. They are very good at reducing fibroids. They contain citric acid, and the citric acid present in them, they are great antioxidants. Helps in reducing the symptoms and also reducing the growth. If you take this treatment, if you are having severe bleeding, it will minimize it. It will stop it. If you have high estrogen level, it will also reduce it and balance it. So combining these two ingredients together, we do magic. You will see that your hormone will be balancing gradually until it becomes normal. But please, before you take this drink, like before you make this treatment for yourself, always consult your doctor. Carry out some tests, hormonal tests, to be sure that you have fibroids. There are so many pains that you may feel down there. You may feel around your womb. Some people will suspect fibroid without visiting the hospital. So I would suggest you should visit. Please, this treatment is not for someone that is pregnant. If you are pregnant, please do not take this drink, okay? Even if you are pregnant and have fibroid, do not take this drink. It's not for you, all right? So how to make this drink is to get a glass, add some hot water in that glass, okay? Then you have to empty one tea bag like this. Just open it. I don't have fibroid. I'm just explaining how to do it. Just transfer the tea bag into the hot water. The purpose is just to extract the green tea from the tea bag. You need the green tea extract. You will notice after some minutes, the water will change color. And that is to show you that it has been infused properly into the water. Then you have to squeeze out the green tea just gradually. Just pull it out. Then that water allow it to cool a little, just a little, before you add your lemon. For a glass cup, add 3 tablespoons of lemon juice. Do not add honey, okay? But if you don't like the taste, you can add honey. Lemon or any other citrus fruit does not taste bad anyway. Does not taste bad. But if you feel that you want to add honey, you can add honey. 3 tablespoons of lemon into of this 1 glass of this remedy. Then you have to mix thoroughly. Please take this drink first thing in the morning and last before you go to bed. 2 glasses a day. First thing in the morning and last before you go to bed. You will notice a great calmness. Some people will notice severe bleeding from the first start. You don't have to worry. But if it continues, please consult your doctor. Like I said earlier, this is not for you if you are pregnant. Also, if you have ulcer, do not take anything citric or citric acid. Citrus fruit is not for you. Please be careful. So this remedy will not only get rid of fibroid or reduce fibroid or prevent fibroid, it will also help to flatten your belly. Those that want to lose weight, this is just perfect for you. Bear in mind, if you are breastfeeding, when your baby is from 6 months old, you can take this drink to get rid of your belly fats. And you stay in shape and you look so healthy. So get rid of those fibroid naturally using these 2 ingredients only. And you love the results. So these are some foods you shouldn't try. If you know you have fibroid, do not take sugar. Table sugar is a no-no. Glucose is a no-no. Corn syrup, please do not take it. White bread, avoid white bread. Pasta, flour, anything flour, baking flour, do not try it. If you have fibroid, it will be increasing in size. Your fibroid will be getting bigger. It's just like feeding the fibroid. These foods helps to increase the estrogen level in the body. Also with fruit juice, if you consume fruit juice, all those additives they add in packet fruit juice, please avoid taking fruit juice. It's best for you to go in a natural way. If you always take packaged energy drinks, avoid it totally. And you see that those fibroids will be reducing. As you are taking this treatment, it will reduce in size until finally it will get rid of. Also avoid crackers, potato chips. It will help you a lot. Avoid estrogen increasing foods. Some foods contain natural ingredients that mimic the estrogen in our body, in female body. Estrogen is a hormone that is present in female body, only in female body. Estrogen is responsible for, making sure you have this area, the backside, female body. This is what is present. So when the estrogen is higher than the other hormone in the body, you will notice that fibroid will be increasing. Some people will have cysts. All these things having growth in the womb, they are not natural. It's very important, time to time, you go for a test, carry out some hormonal tests so that you know the hormone level in your body. Avoid foods like red meats. They increase estrogen level in the body. Avoid soybean, soy milk. Avoid flaxseed. Whether it's flaxseed oil or flaxseed itself, avoid it entirely. They produce more estrogen in the body. So just take this drink to get rid of those fibroid, reducing them in size gradually until you see them no more. In case you have severe big size of fibroid, this drink may not work, or you may just notice a slight improvement. In that way, you may visit your doctor to fix a surgery for you. So just talk to your dietitian or your doctor to tell you the best food to be taken if you know you have fibroids, so that it will reduce them naturally without any side effect. So go on and take this drink, 2 glasses a day, 1 in the morning before you eat your breakfast, and 1 at night. If you are pregnant, this is not for you. If you have ulcer, this is not for you. Take notes. So go on and try it. It will help you a lot. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to subscribe. Also share this video. I'll see you in my next video.